Okay, so once again, very good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vaibhav and I'm the founder of IM Skills. I'm going to be your host in the content writing orientation class. And as you guys can now see the screen and of course you can hear my voice, let me quickly set up an orientation agenda for you guys. Now in this session, we are going to talk about content writing industry, an overview from a point of view of how one can develop, build a great career in this industry. What are different sources of income a content writer can generate after learning content writing? What's inside the industry, what it takes to be there if you are looking forward to go ahead and get a career in this market. It can be work from home, full-time career, up to you guys. So what it takes to be there, you're going to learn that. I'm going to talk about 2 years long-term plan with the industry. A lot of people in the market, they believe that I'll pursue a small, let's say, training program and let's say a month or so kind of an investment I'll make in terms of giving my time, and I'm all pro. That's not true. I'll help you to understand how much time it takes to be a very good writer, and the most important part is how you can get into the industry. Guys, just give me a minute. I just logged out. I don't know what happened. Just a minute, okay? I'm just coming back. Just coming back in a second. All right. Just in a second, I'll be back there on the screen again. Just a second. All right. All right. Not sure what happened, but that's okay. Now we are back. All right. So we will also be talking about a long-term vision with content writing industry, that what it takes to be a very good writer. I'm also going to introduce you guys the content writing master program. Why is that? We are the most respected institution delivering content writing trainings in the industry since last 7+ years now. And we'll keep an open Q&A round as well so that you guys can ask questions related to the industry, about your careers, anything related to content writing. So let's quickly start with it. Now, before I get into the content writing discussion, I have a quick question to ask. I assume that since last few days, since the day you're searching about various terms like content writing course, career, agency, salary scopes, every such things, you somehow landed it at IM Skills, right? And then you've shown your interest towards, let's say, reading a book, let's say, attending an orientation class, or to have a look there on the product that we have. That's content writing training program through the brochure thing. So far, the kind of information that you've captured, you must have built one kind of an understanding that this is the reason content writers get hired in the industry, right? So I would like to ask a simple question. Why do you think businesses, they hire content writers today in the market? According to your current understanding, why do you think any person or any organization will hire a content writer? So everybody, I'll give you guys 30 seconds. You can use this chat discussion, thing, and mention that according to me, writers get hired because of this objective, or organizations are looking forward to fulfill this objective from content writing profile. Whatever you understand, it can be brand building, more reach, leads, businesses, whatever. So everybody take 30 seconds, because I would like to understand you guys, that where exactly you are in terms of understanding stage. And then I'm going to help you to understand how it works as a market, because when you know that exactly how market will work, you'll be able to go ahead and set up a great career out of it. So everybody, take next 30 seconds and please mention the same in the chat box. And let me also check this, that who can type really fast. Given this is one of the most important skill required to be a good writer. We have received our first answer. Nitya says to promote their businesses creatively and also to get readers to turn out into a buyer. Nivedita says to reach out to more number of businesses, more reach to the business, sorry, convey information about businesses in an effective way. Very good. That's nice. Chesta says to help you in terms of growing a business and ranking your business there on search engines. Very good. Okay. Others, marketing a product or a service. As per Falguni. Very good. Very, very good. Such a smart audience this time. Nice. Hina. Okay, I think I've missed Khushbu's one. Khushbu says it's difficult to attract mass without creative writing. So content is content writing comes into the picture. Hina says content writers are hired primarily for visibility of digital world, digital brands, okay, especially through visual mediums. Objective can be brand building, engagement, increase conversion rates, and advertisements. Nice. Content writers would know more for marketing trends to reach out to the public, to showcase their product and services, to convey how exactly company works and what they have to offer as per Divanka. Amazing. Now let me go ahead and create exactly how content writing industry works. All right. Now, majorly, if you look at content writing has very specific kind of roles. For an example, within writing at the current stage, we are teaching 25 types of writings. However, we are turning it to 30 in the next 2-3 days, and everybody will get that for free. That's not a problem. It is just that I would like to mention that 30 types of writing styles includes 2 different types of marketing related stuffs. One is marketing collaterals or marketing related things, and the other will be very specific. For an example, writing a press release for a specific newspaper, or writing a legal document for a company that's into legal documentation work, writing a research paper or a white paper in terms of, let's say, a very, very specific process. What I'm just trying to tell you, a different organization have different types of work requirements. And overall, the 99% market coverage is done only for 3 different types of businesses. These are organizations with the core objective into online acquisition of a customer, lead generation, and brand building. I will give you guys an example here so that you can relate it better. Now, 99% of your market is covered around these 3 segments: online sales, lead generation, brand building. If I have to further divide this part, you have to go ahead and take it like that 10% of businesses are around this model. Majorly 90% of businesses are around this model. And you can consider under 1% of businesses are leveraging content, or you can say 10% content, somewhere around this, and keep it like 80% is the market coverage. How? Let me help you, and I'll also help you to understand which all types of companies are these. Now, a content writer is not responsible to sell a product. A content writer is not responsible to get a lead. Lead means an information of a prospect, a client. Or a content writer is not responsible to develop a TV mass audience brand, something. Okay. But you are the critical role player in this market. How? I'm going to talk about it. Now, as I've said, online sales, that's one of the markets. Lead generation is other market. Brand building is other market. Now, which all types of companies are into this model of online sales? Companies such as Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Zomato, Big Basket. They are into online acquisition of a customer model. If you understand how exactly do we buy anything today, when we are making an online purchase, let's say I wish to buy iPhone 11. What will I do? I will either open app for Amazon or their website like this. I'll go here Amazon.in, Indian market. In the Amazon search option, I will write iPhone 11. I'll get iPhone 11 here. I will click add to cart and I'll make a purchase because I like this product. It is in my budget. The thin line is, now there are three types of things which you can see in a visual form available in front of you. One, the one who has created this content. Can you see this? This content is written by somebody who is a writer like you. Cool. The one who has created this image is a job of a graphic designer. The one who has designed this page is a job of a front-end developer. But everything that you can see here right now on the page is done by who? The most important part is content, a content writer. Until unless you will not create a right product page, people will not be able to see it even there on Amazon so that they can make a purchase. Understood? Other than this, this is one case when somebody is directly writing Amazon.in or they're opening their app and searching for a specific product on their portal, means this person is bound to buy from Amazon. If I am calling, let's say somebody, let me name here. Let's say if I'm calling Falguni right now, I was supposed to talk to her, right? That's why I've called Falguni. That's not a case that I'm calling Nivedit and asking, okay, is Falguni there? It's like that. Somebody is opening Amazon.in directly and writing iPhone 11 in their search box, then made a purchase, was bound to buy from Amazon because of the enough brand building they've done, enough trust factor they have there on the market, in the market. So that's called, this type of a person called direct traffic in the internet industry. Are you clear, everyone? Means whether they do marketing, whether they don't do marketing, or they don't do anything. If the product is listed out there, person will be buying only from the brand we were just now talking about, like Myntra. Okay. But that's one case. Other case is people, what they do, they Google a term or they use search engines, means internet, to search for a product. For example, when I talk about iPhone 11, this is United States market. I'll take you to India market. Just a second. iPhone 11, Indian market. This will take a second. Okay. Now iPhone 11, every month there on Google is being searched around 1.8 million times. 1.8 million times. Okay. It's like 18 lakh search volume. And if I'll here, click here, show more. This says when somebody search for it, iPhone 11, they're like 6,10,000 people almost. They click at organic results. 3 lakh some 10,000 people, they click at the paid ads. 50% audience, they do not click anywhere. These are the results in front of you. Let me minimize this and I'll show you, I'll talk about it, what we are actually learning here. Now, these are ads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these are also ads. Now, a content writer job is not to create the ad. Able to relate? This ad is developed by a digital marketer. But can you see this Apple A until this purple E? These are 6060 characters. We call this headline or title. And if I click here, this page where I've landed, this page stands for a landing page. Again, this is not designed by you. This is designed by a developer. But the one who has written this content and the one who has created the advertisement is a part of a copywriter. Everybody able to relate? Without a writer, you will not be able to even set up this page, because when somebody clicks, land to a page is a landing page. And it's majorly designed for the advertisement purposes, to capture more number of customers or to acquire more number of customers. May I get a quick guess that you are clear, everybody? Second step I will talk about. This is one part of it. 3,11,000 people, they click at these types of results. Second type of an audience we were talking about, if you can see here, 6 lakh some 10,000 people. Can you see here? Apple.com, GSM Arena, Flipkart, then Amazon. Okay. Now, these results, as you guys can see, these are organic results. We call them SEO based results. Now, when I have Googled iPhone 11 on internet, within 0.87 seconds, Google has these many informations available related to iPhone 11 term. Okay. Now, the point is, Google will only show there on page 1, the first page of Google. Those websites, those are aligned accordingly to the guidelines given by these companies. So there is a technical word, they call this word as web master guidelines. So here it is not just about writing a product. You must understand these guidelines such as SEO and all, so that your content can get ranked higher. If you're not going to get ranked higher in the top 4-5 positions, you're not going to get out of 6 lakh people many clicks. And if you will lose on clicks, you will lose on business. If you will lose on business, you will lose everything, because your business model as Amazon is to acquire a client. Understood? Now, let me help you to also understand that. Can you guys see Apple, the top ranked website, position 1, receives from India 6,68,000 hits only at this 11 page. Then there is another buy now page. There they get almost 75,000 hits. This is the second highest ranked website. Third highest is GSM Arena. You can see 4,70,000 hits here. Then fourth highest is Flipkart. 4,77,361 hits here. Fifth rank, 3,41,000. So you can see a significant number of drop in the number of clicks when your website is not ranking well. Now there are companies, if I go to page number 2, there are companies like Verizon, Invent Something Store. They are also selling the same product. But because they're not ranking well, what are they losing every day? Business. Now, like this, if you understand, company like Amazon, Flipkart, and all these companies, they have billions of products, not even million. And they would like to sell them. They're not just looking forward to create an inventory there on the portal. Am I clear, everybody? Quick yes. How content writers are going to help or support such types of companies to achieve their end goals when it is about organizations into online acquisition model? Received yes from 3 people only. Looking forward to get yes from everybody, so that I can understand and I can see that, okay, my audience is well aligned and they are able to relate the stuff. Now, understand the second set of model. In the market, there are companies into lead generation. Now, what is lead generation? Let me help you. And for those who have, okay, is there anybody in the group who have no idea around what are leads and all that? Okay, let me create instead of asking this. What are leads? Different businesses will have different types of leads. Leads are an inquiry. Leads are a prospect raised an inquiry about your service or a product. For an example, you are in a business model of, let's say, baking cakes. Somebody from somewhere near to your society have reached out to you and asked you, I would like to get 1 kg baked cake without egg. Can you do that? You'll say, yes, I'll do that. And then you will pitch the customer, what? That I have these many types of flavors and everything. The customer says, okay, go for it. You'll charge 1,000 rupees and you'll bake a cake. You'll capture this person's name and email. Now, this given in your business, you don't need an email ID. You don't need any other thing, date of birth and all. So a name and phone number is a lead in your case. If you are somebody who is into baking model, understood? Companies like IM Skills. What are leads to us? Leads, people who are giving their name, number, and email ID so that our counselors can call them, guide them about careers and content, and convert them as our student. Understood now what are leads? Everybody, quick is. Now, I would like to mention that 80% of market, it's even higher. I have written 80% intentionally. 80% of market is into a lead generation model. Any shop nearby to your place has a lead generation model. Any big company there in the market has a lead generation model. Any small, medium company has a lead generation model. Anybody today in the market doing something around internet, offline, online, it's a lead generation model. How? Let's understand. So let's say, considering a great example, in the last couple of days, you have searched for content writing related terms. You found IM Skills. Anytime when you were there, we never asked you, you buy the course. Every time we asked you only for one thing. What was that? Would you like to download a brochure? You said yes. I said give your name, email, and phone. And you've done that because you were getting our name every time. So you felt trusted and you have given these informations. Yeah, we asked you that would you like to take an online demo? You said yes. I said give name, email, and number. You did that. We asked you download a free ebook. You did that, and we asked you to download. But before that, give us your name, email, and phone. This happened with everybody, right? You are 25 plus people online with me. This happened with everybody, correct? Now, given this particular thing happened, the thin line, the storyline is very simple. What is that? The storyline is, as a student or as a prospect to us, we have given you information around various terms. What terms? Some of you, and it's not mandatory that each one of you came here through Google after searching for content writing course. Some of you might have searched for content writing books. Some of you might have searched for content writing career. Some of you might have searched for content writing salary, scope, ebooks, any term, and not just there on Google. Let's say our website, other websites, Quora, Medium, Vocal.media, some partners' website, YouTube videos, maybe a podcast, but wherever you were, you have found IM Skills. Am I correct? Quick yes. And the encouragement from our side was every time one thing. You do one thing, you attend a demo. You do one thing, you download the brochure. You do one thing, you speak with the counselor. And you did that, but we captured your email ID, name, and all. Now, what we are actually trying to do is that we are driving information with the help of our content. And in exchange to that, we are capturing hot prospects who are likely to be converted as a student in content writing courses, and likewise other courses which we offer in the market. So the model here that we follow, or any organization in the same model, or any in the business line will follow, is acquire a customer through leads, and you have to nurture those leads. Now, without a writer, companies like us cannot survive. People like you are looking forward to understand, get an information about a subject every second at every possible channel, such as in a form of videos like YouTube and all, such as Snapchat, such as Instagram channels, so images platforms, text-based platforms like Quora, our own website or other things, podcast, everything. Okay. A writer's job is to create a content so that they can reach out to these audiences, give them an information, and finally capture this, their phone number, email, and whatever as a information they need to capture as their leads. Without a writer, it is impossible. Now, any business in the market you look at is into lead generation. Another great example, ever in your life you have applied for a job through Naukri.com? Ever? Naukri.com job portal. How many of you have a clear belief Naukri.com helps you to get a job? They don't. Do you know what's the business model? The business model of Naukri.com is, it's a portal. You search for content writing or any job right now. you will get Naukri.com in front of you. Okay. Then this portal says increase chance by 98%, chances by 98% to get a job as content writer. All you have to do, upload your resume or submit a fresh resume, right? Then Naukri.com has your lead, a qualified lead of a content writing job seeker. Then there are HR consultants. They buy data from Naukri.com in some lakhs of rupees. These HR consultants, what they do, they reach out to companies in the market and then they say, we will help you to recruit somebody. When they recruit a person from HR consultant, I'll say here, companies X, okay? If they are going to help them to hire a best talent, and this talent will get placed in this company, the company will give commission to HR company. And that's your 1 month salary. All right. Now these guys, so somebody gets placed at 50,000, HR consultant will get 50,000. Now these guys I'm talking about, Naukri guys, they sell your data in some lakhs because data is the most powerful thing. Now the most important part is, can they capture a qualified lead without a writer? Answer is no. So that's called lead today. And lead capturing is, one thing that's required in this model is driving the trust. And without a writer, without a great content, appealing content, trusted content, this cannot be done. If I'll ask you guys, let's say Nitya, if I'll ask you or Nivedita or Sahashri or Sanahullah or Sheikh or Tina or Abhijit, Amita, Cheshta, Devanka, Hina, Karamvan, Khushbu, Kriti, Mariam, Mosami, any person of you, Nigar, go there on this website or any website and leave your phone number and email. Will you do that? No, you won't. So who drives that trust? For somebody to give this kind of an information, companies like Naukri.com ask for your home address, email ID, number, last salary, marital status, number of kids you have, and everything. I mean, it's except your Aadhaar card number and PAN number, you're giving every information. Do you think if the trust is not there, one can do this? No. So who drives this trust? Content. Who writes this content? You. What's the end goal? Capture more number of qualified leads. Understood, everybody? And the last part is brand building. Today, you've been targeted by every brand, guys. So okay, since last few days, have you noticed that every social channel is giving you information, a lot of information around content writing? Have you noticed this? Quick yes, no, maybe. Why? Because they know your behavior. Because they know your behavior. Just a second, guys. How brands they build, this brand trust image in front of you using brand building tactics, and through content writers. So let me help you to understand that. Let's say in the last few years, you've never heard around a company named IM Skills. You've never heard around this thing, okay? Now the point is, after a few, let's say the day you have searched for a content writing related terms, you somehow landed there on a website. Since after that, you're getting our notification at every social channels. You're reading something, you found us. What will this give you eventually? IM Skills is a big company, big institute, right? At the same time, let's assume today you may not do this content writing course. Whatever in the next 10 years, you may plan to do it. Any day, you will always remember there is an institute named IM Skills. Let me actually see that what they have. In your immediate circle, somebody is asking you for a guidance around where can I pursue content writing. A name IM Skills you will always provide, at least participate. in the orientation class. They are good. You are going to advise free of cost, word of mouth. So the point is, brands leverage content to reach out to masses. Brands hire story creators to create a story in a way that people can connect with. For an example, sometimes you might have seen a great content copy available on the internet and we relate it like that it's about me. Correct? It happens. It's a job of a writer. Something and everything that's happening today there on internet, without a writer, it is impossible to achieve. Let's say there are elections in the month of May. Assume this, okay? Somewhere in Punjab. And it's a, let's say, chief minister election. Now, a political party, how will they use a writer to influence audience to vote about one particular party? What they will do, they will ask, they will create content for channels such as Quora, Medium, and they're going to write a great storyline, achievements, scope if you hire this person, and they are going to sell that particular thing in the mind. That's called hopes, right? Expectations. And in the end, the final call to action, like, it happens in the lead generation thing, that you attend a demo and all these things, you give your name, number, email. That doesn't happen. In this case, they leave you alone with a great storyline. They leave you so that you get that impression in the mind that they are the right political party for my state now. And see, if I have an interest in politics, if I'm consuming content around politics, wherever I'll go, wherever I'll sit, wherever I'm going to do my discussion, I am going to talk about politics. That's the way the market works. Cool, everybody. Are you all clear? These are the three core objectives. You guys can see they're in content industry, and then there are very specific roles. We will talk about them, but not today. If you are going to participate, that what those roles are and how you can get yourself fit into it. Can I get a quick yes? This is what I've created around what industry is all about. Next thing I will talk about is that how are you going to get in the market? How are you going to get a job in the industry? How are you going to start with a freelancing career? Before I talk about it, can you all answer me one quick thing? What would you like to achieve after pursuing a training program? Or if you would like to get into, don't say training, but if you would like to get into content writing, what is that one thing you're aiming for? A full-time job or a freelancing work from home kind of a thing? If you can just help me to understand this in the chat box, that will be helpful. Freelancing job to make my website rank faster there on search engine. Initially a job. Freelancing work from home. Writing articles, PhD thesis. Full-time content writer, create social media content, freelancer. One or two people are there. Branding of my own business using right content to attract leads. Later on, freelancing. Okay. All right. Sounds great to us now. Let me help you guys one by one to understand how exactly you're going to achieve things, what it takes to enter in the market, and how you will be able to go ahead and learn each and everything. We'll start with the job part and then we'll move to the freelancing and full-time businesses. First job. Okay, by the way, before I actually open up this part, I wanted to tell you one thing. See, guys, the point is any organization, us, others in the market, whosoever is dealing in the same subject line, we are all sellers here. We are all planning to sell you guys a training program. I do not want you to trust my words, any word that I'm creating. I want you to trust a word given to you by the others. Who these other people are? I want you to go there on LinkedIn, if you are an active user, write IM space skills here in the search bar and get in touch with 35,000 plus people. I repeat, 35,000 plus people. You have to click here on people. These are all those people who have done our training program. Add 1, 2, 3, 400 plus people. Okay, I mean pages. Any person you can add from your city, from college, same background, same country. Okay. Talk to them, ask them what they have achieved after learning our training program, and then you trust my words. Okay, I want you to do that. And in a case you're doing a comparison about an institutions, go for the same exercise with the other institution. Okay. Our student talks about us, so this is what we want. So now let's talk about how will you get a job? How will you start with freelancing career? Now, before I talk about a job, see, I told you Amazon is first kind of a company. Why they hire a writer? If it is a copywriting job, paid advertisements, right? If it is organic listing, they want to get ranked higher so that they can rank their product pages, right? Remember, 30 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, we had a word on this topic, right? Paid ad requires a lot of money. So let's say iPhone 14 is the new product coming in the market. Amazon has a requirement to hire a new writer for a full-time role. For this role, they are giving 30,000 rupees per month salary. All right. Amazon says somebody needs to spend 1 crore rupees and we are expecting return on ad spend. We call this in the digital world ROAS. Return on ad spend, we are expecting 10x, means 10 CR business. You have to sell 10 crore worth of iPhone 14s monthly if you are going to get a job as a copywriter. Help the digital team. You don't have to directly sell, but at least you are one of the most important key role player. Other than this, iPhone 14 product page is there, organically ranked it so that we get more clicks, and through more clicks we get sales. Understood, everybody? This is a requirement. Now, given you've done a course from IM Skills or any X institution in the market, how many of you believe that to a fresher like you, Amazon will trust and will allow you to spend 1 crore rupees on the ads part as a copywriter because you've done a course? Answer seems no to me. What about you guys? Anyone who agrees or disagrees to this? Will they trust you that organically you will be able to rank their website because you've done a master course from IM Skills or X course from Y Institute? Will you hire somebody for your own business in this kind of a case? Ask a question to yourself, guys. So this seems like it is next to impossible to get a job. And like this, if this is not just Amazon, any organization, the process will remain the same. Everybody, would like to hire a more talented person versus a person with the less, you can say, information around something. Correct? Everybody agrees to this. Now, if you ask this question to a counselor, they will straight away tell you that we hire our brands, top companies, those who hire through us, they are big, they are that. Because the counselor role is to sell you a course. They get their incentives when you buy a course. That's the reality, right? So they will never give any disagreement to you that this won't happen. But the reality is you will remain jobless if it is just about a course from any institution, us or others. Now, what it takes to be actually there in content writing industry and get a job is what you will learn. Whether it is IM Skills, whether it is Amazon, whether it is a startup, whether it is a big company, whether it is a medium-sized company, each and everyone is looking forward to have somebody on board with a good portfolio. A portfolio is a mix of things that a person can write, let's say a book. A person can write an authored articles. A person can also go ahead and write press releases, SOPs. A person can go ahead and write marketing related stuff like collaterals, flyers, brochures, social media posts. A person can do SEO of a content. A person must know copywriting skills plus must be familiar about channels such as Google Ads, where to actually run these copies and everything of it practically, not just from a point of view of learning it, plus live somewhere that you're doing it for any kind of a company. Understood? This is called portfolio. Now, a portfolio development is the most important thing if you're looking forward to get a job. And if not, then you have no idea when you are graduating from any institution, whether Amazon is hiring, whether a Notion Press company is hiring, a publication house, whether Times of India is hiring, whether a startup is hiring for lead generation, whether IM Skills is hiring, or whosoever is hiring. So you have to develop a diversified portfolio that contains every kind of a content writing work that you have done in the history, so that your work talks about you versus some kind of resumes or CVs. Step one is clear. Now, step two that comes to your mind is how? How will I get a job? That I'll answer after freelancing thing. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear to job people who are here to get a job? Freelancers. Now, this is the most important discussion that you are going to understand. So pay attention. Like job people, you guys need a portfolio. So whosoever will outsource a work to you will ask you for the past work, experience, past work contributed in the community by you. Other than this, you will not be able to sell even a single freelancing project to a person if you have no idea how to do marketing. Even if you have a lead for the marketing thing, but you do not know how to go ahead and pitch a person in sales, do not expect anything from content writing industry. You must know sales, you must know delivery, you must understand finance. Basically, you are a one-man army. I'll call you a CEO of your one-person company, a solopreneur. And without all these skills, do not expect even a single conversion. What if you can cook a great, let's say, pasta, but you're sitting at home and except one or two people in the society or your immediate family or in your friend circle, other than those guys, without marketing, can you tell entire world that you cook the best pasta? No. So you need to have those skills. And if somebody believes that I learn writing and I'll go to freelancing sites such as Odex and all that, it's a bad practice. You know why? Because there are for one job more than 1,000 plus people already bidding for the work. It's a hard work to do. Understood, everybody? Quick case, because now after this, the thing that I'm going to talk about will change your entire understanding towards this industry. And you will really understand how am I going to fit myself into it. Okay, everybody. Now, before I get into that, I have to just pause, my video because there are a few important documents here. My drive. Just a second, okay? Cool, thanks. Okay, so now the point is, guys, how do we help you to achieve both the things, a job and a freelancing career, both the things? So now pay attention. Guys, what we do, we run a content writing master course. As of today, this course says 26 hours of training that has 16 hours of lectures and 10 hours of internship classes. From this batch onwards, it is actually now 30 hours of training. This has 16 hours of lectures and 14 hours of internship sessions. Okay. Instead of 25 types of writing skills, now these are going to be 30 types of writing skills plus 140 hours of training delivery overall. a mixed blend of live sessions plus hands-on assignments. The subject I will talk about that the updated content is there with me, but to understand how it works, let me help. So what we do in the first 1 month, we run a 1 month course and 3 months internship. We consider everybody they are same like freshers, those who have no idea how to write different types of contents. These contents from now onwards are all going to be like this. Okay. These are all the topics you guys will learn in our training program: legal writing, technical writing, research papers, white papers, SOPs, books, all such things. Complete diversification in writing industry. Now, after 1 month, we realized that, okay, people have learned, we have evaluated each and everything, they're doing well. Those who are not doing very well, they'll again get into the learning process. That's the process that we follow. And then after that, we divide people into two different categories. Category A, job. I should write this, it's already there. Category A is job. Category B is business. All right. A job people will focus in the internship to develop a portfolio wherein we will be going ahead and helping you to publish a book. We will be going ahead and helping you to go live with your 10 different website articles, writing for Times of India, publishing a legal document, writing your first scholarly article, research paper, white paper, submitting it with Google Scholar pages, citations and everything. Freelancing people, you will learn portfolio development like these guys. Plus, in addition to this, you will learn marketing, sales, delivery, everything that makes you an entrepreneur or a one-man army, a CEO of your brand. You will learn that, and a promise made to everybody with one condition: the guidelines. So there are 3 faculties in one training program. Okay. The guidelines given by all the faculties to you guys in the overall program. If you follow all those, once you are going to graduate after 4 months of program, you will have your job in hand. If not, we will refund a complete fee to you. This is on a recorded line and I'm going to upload this on YouTube. You can download it there as a proof. Sue us if that doesn't happen. Person who is here to become a freelancer, you will get your first client in our training program for freelancing. Again, followed by all the guidelines given by the faculty. All it takes is a portfolio, that's it, nothing else. Again, in that case, if this doesn't happen, full money return. Everybody, are we all clear? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now, the point is, any person in this industry says you get this, you get that. Let me tell you, content writing industry requires a lot of commitment. This is not something that can be done overnight. For me, it is definitely easy to tell you how to write a book. But when you will sit and write, it will take time. So remember, if you're committed for the next 4 months that I am going to give my 100% to the course that I'm getting into, then only learn content writing. Otherwise, you are not going to gain a benefit out of this particular course. And I really don't want you to spend even a single rupee on something that you are not going to get a benefit from. Now, this course is going to be extremely in-depth program. So whatever you see there on the website is now modified a little bit more, and you're going to get that. You're going to learn everything to an extent that people can't even imagine that this is how this course is going to be. Okay, so it's like one of the most in-depth training in the writing industry, covered majorly every kind of a tool, every kind of a topic, and a lot more. I'm just helping you because we will upload this information there on 24th. It is just that I'm giving you guys, and you are also going to learn the same thing. So don't worry. It is just that we are increasing the price part as well of our training program. That's the reason we are not uploading it, so that people who are planning to join this batch should not get that thing that, why they've increased the price. But yes, that's how it is going to be. International certifications and all are all going to be part. We'll talk about it next. Now, let me also help you to understand, and I'll keep it very short, affiliate marketing. The second way a writer can make money. Anybody in this group who have never ever heard around a word called affiliate? All of you have heard around affiliate marketing? Okay, let me help people, those who have no idea. So first and foremost, let me tell you, how many of you are one of those who makes purchases there on internet? Any purchases, you research and then you make a purchase. Let's say organic hair oil, organic this, laptop, watches, this, that, XYZ. Okay, no problem. Now I wanted to tell you guys today, since you have limited information around the stuffs, that's the reason you have made so many people everyday rich with your shopping. Yes. Plus anything and everything that you see there on internet, anything and everything that you see there on internet is affiliated. Now, what is affiliated? Let me explain. There are two ways in the marketing industry to promote a product today. One is influencer. What is influencer? Virat Kohli is a famous celebrity. Not Jolie, it's Kohli. Sorry. Oh, my mistake. Virat Kohli has 160 plus million followers there on Instagram. Vaibhav, that's me. I'll go to Virat. I'll say, Virat, I wish that if you can help promoting IM skills, I'll pay you 1 crore. For the next 7 days, you have to post about IM skills once a day. Virat says, no problem. He'll post, 0 student turns up. Okay. We will still be paying 1 crore to Virat because he was influencing his followers. Understood? In affiliate marketing is right opposite to it. I'll go to Hina. Hina says, I'm an educational blogger. I run educational blog. I will write about top 10 content writing courses in India. And I'll give your affiliate URL in my article. If somebody clicks on that URL, comes here at IM Skills, gives me a lead, name, number, email. And I have a lead contract with Hina that if you will give me a lead, I'll give you 10%. Means, let's say 1200 rupees per lead. And if I have a conversion based model, if somebody will acquire a client or if somebody will buy my course, I'll pay you 20%. Means I'll pay you 2400 rupees. So that's called somebody clicked on the affiliated link and made a purchase here on my website to educational blogger Hina, I'll pay the money. Understood? That's called affiliate. Now 99% of market that you see there on internet is affiliated. You don't buy the products that you want. You buy the products that those are offering higher commissions in maximum cases. But that's not bad. Products are always good, but internet is full of this. Let me show you today. And you'll understand. Minute back when I was searching for iPhone 11, correct? First website, Apple. Second website was GSM Arena. Do you think GSM Arena sells any kind of a product for this company called Apple? No, it's a review site. Do you know this? They write reviews. You know this, right? If you now these are ads they're running, they earn from this. Can you see 1, 2, 3 all the URLs? Somebody writing about iPhone 11 or their reviews wants to buy iPhone. You search for a car and you are searching for any specific car. You have an intent to buy that car. It is a simple case in this case as well. Somebody searching for iPhone has an intent to buy iPhone 11. And people have a habit to click on a product that is lower on the price side. iPhone 11. If I click here on Amazon, can you see this? Tag GSM.com, link code this, it is affiliated URL. After this question mark, it's affiliated. Even if I remove this and again press enter, same website will open. And if now this person will complete the transaction like this, is affiliated. They will earn a commission. AliExpress, affiliated URL. eBay, affiliated URL. Can you see? Campion ID, customer ID, GSM Arena, LGO. Can you see this is affiliated? Now let's say you are searching for iPhone SE watch. People nowadays watch a lot of unboxing videos, correct? Do you know this? They check reviews. Let's say if I'll write reviews one way and other way, I will write unboxing. Okay. Let me open this video. Now there is somebody giving a video, review about something. In this video, this person will surely mention, if you wish to buy, let's say, band like mine, the watch band like mine, this person will surely say, if you would like to get a discount on this watch or something, I am giving you my watch or my URL in the this particular box. Can you see? Watch band I use on Amazon. Click here, affiliated. Titanium watch, keyword nomad titan something, titanium keyword nomad something, and then read this ID something, link code something, R Zol. Screen protector on Amazon, case on Amazon. All links here are affiliated. Now this was this thing. Now iPhone SE watch review. Tech Radar. They are writing a review about something. Open this review. Gadgets 360. Open this review. Mac Rumors. Open this review. Now see, you are actually reading a review of a product. Now in this review, there will be, just close this. There will be a call to action. One second, design. No, this seems like a complete review, and they have not yet. Okay, in this particular one, no such thing to buy. Gadgets.ndtv. Let's check this. Now they have given gadgets.ndtv review plus everything. See, NDTV site, kind of a site. Link code. Can you see this? Subscription, this. It's an affiliated URL. Understood? Now, I'm not saying writing a review, good review, and making money. See, there are people making millions of rupees every month like this. Millions. I've been doing it. I started my own first venture like this. My first venture, when you actually see my profile, my first venture is actually Course Deco and Advisor Uncle. Okay. Now these two sites, can you see this? These are affiliate sites. I started like this only. How? I'll show you. When you actually go here, advisoruncle.com, you go coursedeco.com, and now today I have so many channels. digitalcoursesindia.com, coursenearyou.com, idiot.com, I mean webofk.com, all these websites, the one that I run, they are affiliated. So I just don't sell my own courses. I sell courses, let's say drop shipping. For drop shipping, I don't have a course. So I will promote companies such as Udemy, EDX, Coursera, because commissions are extremely great. Can you see? These are Campions, Udemy ads. Our job is to rank our content and then earn. Now, so for some people, what you will get is that how much money they can actually make. Only from Advisor Uncle blog, the revenue that we make, this blog hardly has around 10,000 people visiting us a month. 10,000 is not a big number. With Iron Skills, we have 1 lakh. Okay. 10x of the market. But you know what? This blog I'm talking about, Advisor Uncle blog, this blog has so much of power because we drive more than 20 to 30 lakh rupee business every month from a blog. What if I'm selling some other products in the market? I'll be making good money out of it. But given I have my own products, so I prefer selling them. Any URL given here on these sites to us, let's say if you click here, you'll see affiliated links. Now but you have to declare that you are actually making a commission. So if you actually read this, when you buy with some links, now let me make you guys understand that how much money you as a writer can make. How many of you believe that you can write in a month twice any article about something based on your niches, travel, health, fitness, this, that, and all? Let's talk about home appliances. We all have home appliances there at home. You will have washing machine, you will have chimneys with you, you will have steam with you, you will have let's say stoves with you, you will have everything with you, right? Am I right? ACs you have, right? What it takes, you have to write a review about your AC, you have to write a review about your fridge, you have to write a review about your something. Am I clear? Everybody, quick yes, no, maybe. Just beyond your imagination, the market is searching for it. Let's say people searching for best, let's say, mixer grinders. How many people do you think are searching for best mixer grinder? Hina, just 2 more minutes, okay? Or 5 more minutes. 22,200 people. People searching for best mixer grinder in India, 22,200 again. Best mixer grinder India, 18,100. These many people monthly are searching for mixer grinder, best ACs, best air conditioners, okay? Your job is to start with a blog that gives people an information around these topics. Now, see, the point is, if I'll explain you with the help of these big websites, you guys will be really confused. So I'll just show you an affiliated site that is less. Okay. Can you see this Kitchen Arena? It is a small website. Or let's say preeti.in. Okay. Now this particular website, just a second. Is this an affiliated site? No, it is a business website. Kitchen Arena. Kitchen Arena is basically a website that is an affiliated site. 9 best mixer grinder for Indian food. Amazon. Every URL here is affiliated. You know Amazon affiliate commission rate? Amazon provides, you can read it here if you wish later on. Amazon provides 9% commission when you sell their home appliances or such stuffs. Rate list is available here. Read it in the free time. So if I'll buy this 5846 rupee product, this guy will get 500 rupees. Now the point is, what's the worth of this Kitchen Arena, the website? Today, Kitchen Arena website receives around number of traffic is it's a simple small blog, 14,500 people. That's it. I repeat, 14500 people every month they are on the blog. How many articles they have so far written? You have to write after kitchenarena.in sitemap.xml to understand how many articles they have written. Post 236. Here is the URL. This is called sitemap of a website. You can text how many articles they have so far submitted. Come back. 236 articles. That drives 15,000 people a traffic. Though it is on a poor site, but it is okay. I would like to ask you, what do you think would be an ideal percentage of people, a number of person who are a buyer here? You think that, okay, these are number of people who must be buying. 1%, 2%, 3%, and go with the bare minimum number, not the maximum number. Somebody searching for best AC, chimney, mixer grinder, just for example. How many of you think are going to buy the product? 1%, nice. Others in the chat box, 2%, okay. Let's take 1% conversion. 1% gives this blog 145 customers, right? 145 people will buy from this blog. On an average, this guy is selling a product more than 5,000 rupees. On an average, you can say this blogs somewhere makes around, as per my good knowledge, $5 per sale. You have to multiply 145 with 5. Give 725 USD. INR to USD. This blog makes 55,000 rupees every month. That's bare minimum, by writing 200 plus articles, various product reviews and all, and they have just signed up with affiliate programs such as Amazon and all. And this is forever income. Forever income. This will grow from here forever. This won't come back, or this won't decrease. This will increase only. Understood? Able to relate? Now this, why I've given you an example of small websites with an intention, because I wanted to give you a right figure in your mind. If I'll give you these big websites like kitchen, this appliances.com or Times of India thing, they are also having this affiliate links, or this Economics Times or India Times, all these companies, okay? That's a very, very big number. They receive traffics in millions. For example, companies like GSM Arena, only at one particular page, they get 5 lakh hits. Giving you an example of those websites is like almost like a work of next 20-30 years with a big team that requires to be there at a particular page like that. Are we all very clear around this? Quick yes. Now let's quickly talk about why IM skills. Now we'll keep it very short, and then I'll give you guys an opportunity to ask questions. Our courses are 100% objective driven, no theory at all in the training program. Pure hands-on learning. Throughout the training, you'll get a support from the faculties, lifetime access to the LMS for live classes and recordings. You'll get walkthrough of each and every tutorial in the training itself. Along with this, pure hands-on delivery will be given. Every Sunday, you will learn a course. And apart from this, before the next class, you will receive a feedback about the work that you have submitted as your assignment. This is a 4 months program, has now 30 hours of delivery plus 120 plus hours of assignments. A commitment made to you. Job people will get a job. Freelancers or business people will start with it in the course. A diversified portfolio with a guarantee that any institution is covering like this, we will actually be sponsoring your course for others. This is one of the most intensive learning around content writing available around the world. All right. This part will be uploaded soon there on the portal, but this is what you will learn, okay, along with the one that you have here right now. The program, the next one that we are actually live with, starts on 24th of April. And after this, next batch will start on 22nd of May. If somebody has a plan to join 24th April batch, can let me know right away. I will be actually giving you an exclusive link, because from the website, we are removing the link for this batch, and 22nd May batch link will be uploaded. The only condition is, let me be clear, we are revising the course fee from 12,900 to 14,900. Now, the next price that you will be able to see once the new brochure and everything is uploaded will be 14,900 plus taxes. That will be 17,582. And today that comes to 15,222. Now, let me open this open Q&A round for the next 10 minutes. You guys can feel free to ask me your questions. and I'm going to answer them. Plus, if anybody in the group is looking forward to get an enrollment done for the batch starting from 24th April, can let me know. Here is the link that I'm going to provide you with. You can please mention in the chat box that I'm planning for 24th April. I'll give you the link. Given it is only for the last, I guess, 2 or 3 seats, so I'll have to stop it accordingly. That's why I'm not sharing it with public. Chesta, given to you. Nivedita, I know this. Okay, just give me a minute. We are, okay, till the time this link is valid, so we are changing the condition. That's like, if the last seats, whatever it's 2 or 3, I don't know. If the last 2 or 3 seats, if they are booked, automatically this link will get expired. So you can accordingly click and book yourself till the time this link is active. Now, your questions, please. $12,900 plus taxes for the current batch. And the new pricing, once the new brochure is uploaded, will be this. Your questions, no problem, Divanka. If we have seats, we will be giving you the same. Shiva will guide you from our team. Morning batch only on weekends, weekday batch. At the moment, no weekday, because since the lockdown is no more there, people are more likely, they're participating in the weekends one. People have their regular offices and all. The class timing is Sundays from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. And Sunday internship is also there once the course duration is done from 8 to 9 p.m. Is there any batch starting after mid-May? No, the batch will start on 22nd May. 15th May, this will end. 22nd May, the other one will start. Falguni, I hope you are clear about internship. This is batch. This is internship time. Here, total 14 lectures are there. Here, total 4 lectures are there. This is 1 hour each. This is 4 hours each. Yes, it is a 4 months program. Guys, I have a small request to make. Please, 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 if in a case you're planning to participate and by any chance we are unable to provide you with a seat in the batch starting from 24th April, okay, because of the fixed seating structure here, then I have a request to enroll in the 22nd one. We will consider the old pricing provided you have enrolled before 24th of April. Before 20, if the new pricing will go live on the website, we would not like to cheat our next audience. Okay. We will consider the pricing, previous pricing for the people if the booking is done before the price changing there on the website. And we are very clear Product changes are about to be done. It is just that brochure is about to be created by the team. Rest everything is done already. I want to know what are the procedures you follow if you find out that person not good at a writing part. There are proper team, taking care of each and everything, such as if you are actually not working on punctuations, let's say grammar, or you're not following the guidelines about a subject, then you're going to get a proper feedback and then revision task. And even if you are still not good at it, then only one thing, goodbye and take the refund. See, if you're coachable, we can coach. If you're not coachable, it is impossible. Can we have information about the faculty? You know my profile. Other one will be Miss Roma Malhotra, and another one will be Miss Divya Priyadarshini. Roma comes from IIT Delhi with a great experience, all in writing background. And Divya. Divya will teach you guys legal writing and all. There you go for Divya's profile. If you wish to see mine, how can I check mine? That's wife of Thakur, right? That's me. Okay. I'm an author with I've authored one article, though I've authored with Times of India, India Today, and many more websites. This was my last article that I wrote for Times of India on April 15th. You can even read this if you wish to. Any question that you have now, I know I'll be online for the next 3 more minutes. Nitya, I have not got a reply. Let me see about the question. I paid the amount. You would like to join 24th April batch. Do not worry. You'll get the seat. Since I'm actually online, otherwise, Shiva, can you just share Nitya's registration is done or not? Is SEO a part of content writing? 1% of SEO in terms of reaching out to a wider audience is a part of it, and our program covers off-page, on-page, and technical SEO all. In case we miss any lecture, do we get recorded videos? Yes, here in the LMS. Every class recording, task, tools, weekly information will be here in this LMS. You can check previous session recordings, class PPTs, certifications, exams, scripts, everything that we will be teaching you is here. And this is for a lifetime. What would be the timing of classes on weekdays? We don't have weekday classes, Abhijit, available right now. Thank you, Devanka. Glad you liked it. Social media writing, Chesta is a part of it. You can read here. All social media pages are going to be part. Social media will come in the marketing thing here. Social media writing and video scripting. These are the tools we will be covering. Okay. I'm from a science background. It will be easy understanding and learning for me to be a good writer or a content writer. Yes, it is not a problem. Do we require a laptop for this course or can we use mobile? No, no, laptop is needed. Mariam, can you just tell me your email ID? The one I think you downloaded that book few days back. Ebook, am I right? His name is, I'm unable to connect. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, I remember. That was not me. That was Mr. Shiva who had a word. Yeah, I remember. Nice, nice. Okay. Okay. Any person planning to for the upcoming batch can let me know or let Shiva know or let any one of us know. But I think we've already extended the class by 25 minutes. Thanks, ma'am, for sharing this. Shiva, I hope you've captured. Abhijit, I'm sorry. Weekdays batches we are not available. Shiva, can you check Sahashri's payment is received or not? What is the process of the payment? Okay, the link I have given to the people. Can anyone with no writing experience join this course? It is actually meant for those people only. People with the experience should not join. They only need a brush up kind of a thing. They can connect with me and I'll coach that kind of a person for free. That's not a problem. But if in a case you are one of those who actually would like to get into writing industry, you would like to write a content that's all around other things such as books, articles, blogs, and all, you are here at the right institution. We would recommend that you pursue a course. So now, everyone, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you once again for participating, giving your life 1 hour, 30 minutes to us. That means a lot to us, trust us. And for any help, please feel free to talk to us. We would love to help you. We would love to guide you. And let's accordingly connect. Mariam, here is my direct phone number. You can just save and get in touch. Thank you, guys. Glad you all enjoyed this orientation. You all like this particular class. For any help, you can discuss with Shiva from here, and then we will be taking it forward. Thank you. I'm going to end the session now.